Hello, viewers. You're welcome to my channel once again. I wish you guys Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year ahead. All right. Today, it's a technical analysis on GU, that is GBP USD, for the week ahead. So, before we do anything, first of all, go through our forest factory calendar. All right. With this, you can use to know what the economics news for the week. All right. This will help you for the fundamental analysis. All right. You go through it and know what news that is ahead that we are expecting. All right. Apart from that, do well to go to my site and emails so that we can have you train. Without wasting time, we'll head straight to the technical analysis so that we can break it down on what we should be expecting as regards to week ahead. All right. Remember last week uh, we were somewhere here. All right, we were somewhere here. No, if I'm not mistaken, we were somewhere. No, 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 no. Last week we were somewhere here. All right, somewhere here. This very point. This very point. All right. So I told you guys that price has already created a low. All right, a swing low. It has already created a swing low. Why do we say he has created a swing low? Because this very point, there was a pushback, all right, that created this high, and then price action broke structure to the downside and now created this low. All right. When he created a new low, this was the previous low, and he created a new low. What price now did, or as a trader, what you should be expecting after price action has created a low or a swing low, the next thing is what? A period of relief. That is a pullback, or you call it retracement, as I have taught us. Now, retracement should get to a discount level before another push to break structure to the downside. All right. So I will explain. I told you guys I have two strategies. One is smart money concept, and the other one is strictly for my students. I don't teach that here. If you want to learn more about that, if you want to know what that strategy is all about, you just go to my site, all right? Go to this site, register, and we'll have you trained, all right? But because of this analysis, I will just show us a bit of it, all right? So let's dive into it. At this point, we should be expecting a pullback. Now, what you need to now do, as simple as ABC, okay, is you just come, pick up, you have identified the strong high. Why is it a strong high? Because it broke structure. All right, that's why we marked this place as break of structure, because we have established that the trend is bearish. It's a bearish trend. So we should be expecting break of structure to the downside. All right. Now that price has this high has successfully done its job by broken this structure to the downside and it created another low, meaning that this is a strong high. All right. Anytime price action take out this strong high, meaning that the uptrend has started. Anytime price action take out this high, we know that uptrend has started. All right. Now, since this high has created a low and we are expecting a pullback, all right, we are expecting a pullback, and that pullback should reach a particular level before it resume underlying trend again, which is a bearish trend. Okay. At this point, what do you need to do as a trader? I will show you guys. This is where I use my fib as part of my second strategy for my entry. If you want to learn more, please inbox so that we can put you through. You just bring your fib tool to the swing low. All right, you spread it to the future, and what you should be expecting right now is that this guy is pushing back. All right, I'm just explaining this. What is exactly what you guys saw last week. All right, as a matter of fact, I'm still on this trade. It has not hit my TP yet. All right, now we are expecting a pullback, and the pullback should price action should push into a discount level. All right, from 50% down to this place down is what a premium. All right, that is a premium level. Then from 50% upward, that is a discount level. Now, when you want to get into a trade or you want to buy something, you like to buy cheap, then you sell high. All right, you like to buy cheap. Now, as it stands now, we are expecting price to push up to this point, which it did. All right, price push up to 50% and even above 50%, and even above 60% rather. Now, this is now our entry. All right, and that was why I entered here. So the the price action continues to push to the downside. And what now happened? He gave us from this point, this is where I entered, he gave us about 78 pips already. But where is the TP? The TP is here, negative 27. That's about 159 pips. But last week, I wanted to take my profit here, all right? This 0.0% at about 100 pips. But when I now saw the way price action is going, I decided to allow it is going to run up to negative 27%. And now, guys, what happened? At this point, at this point, price action came to this level, all right, created a low, push up, created a low. It was price action was just going sideways, all right, going sideways. But when it got here now, it pushed to the upside. And where is it? 61.8%. All right. Is anything wrong? No, there's nothing wrong. It came back again to retest this level. All right. Now, what we should be expecting is that price action, we should calm down, all right, like this, retrace, retrace, then price should come up to this point, retrace again before you come and hit this our target level. So at the end of the day, we are still bearish. And if you have not entered this trade, it's an opportunity. This is an opportunity again because it has presented to us another opportunity for us to get involved in this trade. You can see when he pushed up, he rejected, he pushed again and he rejected. You see now that the price action is about to resume a bearish trend. All right, so you can see he pushed from here to the upside. Now, what happened is that it has created another high. All right, another high has been created. And what do we call this? We call this a strong high. All right, it's a strong high. This is a strong high, but we need to wait until before we classify it a strong high. We need to wait until it breaks this structure down, until it takes out this weak low. This is a weak low. Why? Because this guy created this low. It's a weak low. Remember, we trade from the strong high down to take out the weak low. Or if we are bullish, we trade from the strong low to take out the weak high. All right, remember when we are bullish, all right, price action will always break structure to the upside. If we create a swing high, then when there is a moment of relief or a pullback to the downside, the price action will push to the upside again the to take out another to take out the high. What do I mean by that? I'm saying if we are bullish, price action will go up like this, create a high, a moment of relief, then take out this high. All right, come down, break this high again. So this is bullish movement. Then the bearish movement is coming down, breaking structure to the downside. At this point, when you look at it critically, you discover that this high, until this high is violated, we are still very much bearish. Until this high is violated, until this high is violated, we are still very much bearish. All right. Any movement that is above this strong high, you know that we are bullish. So at this point, we are still bearish. So that is how it is, guys. But as an SMC trader strategy that we normally use, we are going to be expecting price to push back to is what just happened. All right, you expect price to push up to this level. All right, push up to this level before you get involved and come to the downside. But sometimes price does not get to this level again before it resume the underlying trend. It has already created a high. So the worst case scenario, what will happen is that price action will push from here and get to this 79%, then he resumed the underlying trend. So since price action has already created another high here, I'm telling you what you should be seeing now is a bearish run to the downside. So that is what is on GU. We are bearish, and as I tell you, I'm on this trade since last week. All right, I'm still on this trade since last week. So I actually entered from here. I actually entered from here, and I'm hoping to take my profit here. So this is how it is. I'm hoping to take my profit from here. All right. I've already entered. If you watch my last video on GU, you will know that it's exactly what I show to us. Because right now I'm on the trade and I'm still holding it. Because I know all this level that price has created, all this level will serve as a liquidity when price finally start to push to the downside. When price action resume pushing to the downside, all this one will serve as liquidity to fuel the movement for the run to the downside. So, guys, uh, I hope the analysis is very clear. Until the strong high is taken, we are very sure that we are bearish. Until the strong high is violated, that is, when the strong high is violated, you just know that price has changed. We now say change of character. But wherefore price is still trading below or under this strong high, just know that we are still on that current trend. The trend has not changed. All right, so we are bearish. We are still bearish, very much bearish on GU, even though you see this movement to the upside. All right, so let's just watch out and keep our finger crossed. We don't decide what happens in the market. We are nothing but speculators. We do our technical analysis, but because of our strategy, we believe in our strategy because we have tested our strategy. We have back tested our strategy. We know that it works perfectly. Even if there is a news, you see that the fundamental analysis and technical analysis will always align. All right. So as far as I'm concerned, we are bearish. We are still bearish. Price action presented to us an opportunity to enter from here. If you have missed out this one, this is another opportunity for you to get in, all right, to short the market. This is another opportunity for you to short the market. I entered from here. You can still enter from here and short the market. All right, it's another opportunity. You enter, get in from here, short the market. Negative 27% your take profit. If you can still hold it, it can come and get to negative 61 if the bearish trend, if the momentum is very strong. This is the first take profit, this is the second take profit. So anything from between 38%, 23% is what? Is a continuation and a consolidation level. From 50% and 61% to 79%, these are a discount level, all right, discount and golden level. 61% and 79%, these are golden level. But 50%, from 50%, you see it's a discount level. So, guys, thank you so much. And I wish you Merry Christmas again and a prosperous New Year. So, take it very simple. Trading is all about analysis. Once you get your analysis right, just be sure that everything will be good. Thank you so much. God bless you.